Welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today we're going to learn how to make leg warmers. These 80s classic will keep you warm and look fun and stylish. Obviously I've done mine in really bright fluoro colours, but they look great in naturals and marl yarn as well. So let's get started and learn how to crochet a leg warmer. Like all my patterns, you can find the basic pattern free on the blog, or you can purchase a PDF that has all the sizing information you need. Let's get started. For the crochet leg warmers, you're going to need some worsted weight yarn. This one is Red Heart Super Saver stripes, and you're going to need 2 crochet hooks, a 4mm and a 5mm. So the top and the bottom, you're going to use the smaller crochet hook, and in the middle, you're going to use the 5. We're going to start by doing ribbing. For the cuff, you will use your 4mm hook. For the sample, I'm going to make a size medium. All the other sizing information is in the pattern. And to start, I'm going to use this jumbo yarn just so you can see the stitches really clearly. So you start with a slip knot, and we're going to chain the width of the cuff for your size. For a size medium, that is 13 chains. Chain the yarn over and pull through. I'm just going to make a smaller swatch. So just so you can visualize, we're doing a chain across here. Once you get to your desired width, single crochet across the row. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook, which is insert, yarn over and pull through, 2 on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. I'll do it one more time with you. Insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and single crochet all the way to the end. In the size medium, you'll have 12 single crochet stitches. And this next step is where it really pays to show you in the jumbo yarn. We're going to do single crochet into the back loops. Chain 1 for your turning chain and turn. Your first single crochet is just normal into the base of the chain under both loops. For the rest of the row, we're going to be working in the back loops. If we have a look at that from the top, here is the front loop facing me, and here is the back loop away from me. And we're going to be putting our hook in the middle of the stitch and out the back. That's a back loop only. And the stitch is just the same, it's a single crochet. So insert into the middle and out the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do it one more time. Hook into the middle, back loop and single crochet. And you will single crochet back loop only all the way to the end. Chain 1 regular single crochet, always start with 1 regular single crochet, and single crochet back loop only all the way across. And that will give you this lovely ribbing. You'll notice that the ribbing is nice and stretchy, and you want this to fit around your ankle. So the pattern has suggested number of rows. For a medium it's 46 rows, which means 23 ribs, but try it on. You want it to be loose and you want it to be able to fit over your jeans. Here's my finished ankle cuff. I've tried it and it fits nicely, and we're going to fold it in half and slip stitch to join the edges. Slip stitch is insert, and you're inserting under both sides, yarn over and pull through the one on the hook. So slip stitch all the way along. And there's our join. And if you turn it to the right side, you'll see that that join is almost invisible. It'll just blend in. And you can weave the tail. Let's keep going. If you want to do one last try on, now's the time to do it. Change to the bigger hook. That is our 5mm hook. And single crochet all the way around. The pattern will tell you how many single crochets to do, but for this medium, we're doing 46, the same number as the rows, which makes it really easy. So just chain 1 to start, and then single crochet into the top, and you're going to do 1 single crochet into each peak and valley. And when you get back to the beginning, join it with a slip stitch. Here I am at the end of the single crochet row, and we're going to join it with a slip stitch. So into that first stitch, a slip stitch. And there's our cuff. Now we're going on to the body, which is all double crochet stitches. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet, if you need a refresher, is yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through. That gives you 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do one more with you. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So crochet all the way around and join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and then you'll repeat that process. Chain 3, double crochet and slip stitch join, and you'll go all the way up to here, and then we'll do our cuff, which is just below the knee. So the length of this, I have some standard sizes in the pattern. For a medium, it's around 14 inches, but you may be shorter or taller, so this is really easy to adjust by more or less rows. When deciding your length, just keep in mind that this top bit is 2 inches. So really you want this to be your ankle and this to be 2 inches below your knee. So I'll go away and start double crocheting, and then I'll show you how to finish it off. Here we go. Here's my leg warmer up to this point here. Now you'll notice I roughly matched the colours. I did that by, when I started down the bottom here, I redid it so I started with the light green, and then the stripes sort of followed roughly the same, which I quite like the look of. So now we're up to this cuff at the top, and we're going to go back to our smaller hook size. I'm up to this light green colour, which roughly matches here. Change to the 4mm hook and chain 1, and we're going to single crochet all the way around. So single crochet into the base of that chain and 1 single crochet all the way around. I have single crocheted around and slip stitch to join. And now we're up to our ribbing. Just want to show you what's going on this side of the camera. She's sitting on the leg warmer. Okay, back to work. Chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just turn it around to the side. Single crochet into the 2nd chain from the hook and all the way along. So that's going to be 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me straighten that a little bit so you can see more clearly. 4, 5, 6. And now you dip back down the bottom, slip stitch in the next stitch, and slip stitch 1 more across. Turn. So we're working back the other way. And we're going to do single crochet into the back loops, back loop only. And then it's just a normal single crochet. So insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So the next one, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that all the way to the end. For the last stitch, we want to go under both loops and do a normal single crochet. That'll just give it a little more solid edge. And that's it. Chain 1, turn, and remember on the outside edge it's always a regular single crochet. And then for the other 5, it's back loop only. It's a little less awkward to do when you're not filming because you'll be able to turn it around more easily. Okay, last one, I've got the back loop there. And remember, we just do a slip stitch into the next stitch and then a second slip stitch into the one after that. So the first one anchors down our ribbing and the second one brings us to a new row. Turn. So there's a lot of turning backwards and forwards in this. And you're going to do exactly the same. Up and down until you get to the end, and then I'll show you how to join the end. Here I am at the end of the ribbing. I can see how nice that looks all the way around. And now we just have a little gap we need to join up. So we're going to put it the wrong way out. And then slip stitch the edges together. And when you slip stitch, just grab the inside loops. That way it'll be seamless on the outside. So insert your hook through the two inside loops, yarn over, pull through, and pull through that one on the hook. So there's not many to go through. And last one. For the last one, go through both the loops. And I like to do just one extra one, just so it is nice and secure. And then you can fasten off. And here's our finished leg warmer, nice and cozy and ready to put on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.